For this video, let me show you how you can solve the issue. We couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. For the first method, click the search icon and type services in the search bar. Right-click services and select Run as Administrator. Scroll down to find Windows Biometric Service. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Start. Then click Apply and OK. If this doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to the second method. For the second method, right-click the Windows logo and choose Device Manager. Expand the Biometric Devices. Then right-click on the Facial Recognition, Windows Hello. Choose Update Driver and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, check for any Windows updates and install them if available. This should fix the problem, but if not, move on to the third method. For the third method, right-click the Windows logo and select Run. Type this and click OK. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Biometrics, and on the right side, right-click on Allow Users to log in using biometrics. Choose Edit, select Enabled, and click Apply to save the changes. Repeat this step for the other two Allow policies. Afterward, you should see that the state is set to Enabled. Restart your computer and the problem should be resolved. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.